Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ren. Today we're going to watch different kinds of perico. We're somewhere in the mall Bangkok. So let's see and find out what are different pericos in this area. Let's go! Look at this. Oh wow. Look at that nice perico. Very nice. Very nice perico. What's your name? My name is Red Perico. Oh really? Oh my name is Fred. Oh really? Okay. And you, the white one, what's your name? My name is Whitey. Whitey? Yes. Oh, nice. Ah, you're Whitey, right? Yes. And you? What's your name? My name is Green Yellow Perico. Ah, ha, ha. Okay. So, what are you eating? I'm eating something makes me full. Okay. And you, the red one? The red one? Oh, what's your name? What's your name, baby? Ore. Ore. So your name is Ore, right? Yes. Okay. So it's okay, Ore, nah? Oh. Yeah, Ore. Another one? Pirotso! My name is Pirotso. Where are you going, Pirotso? I'm going to find 40 here. Oh, really? Okay. Oh, and you? What's your name? What's your name? I don't know my name. Ah, you don't know your name. So your name is Binsyo? Yes, Binsyo. 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 Ano? What's your name? Oh, why are you hiding? Don't hide, please. Whitey, right? Yes, my name is Whitey. Okay, Whitey. Whitey. What are you doing, Whitey? I'm looking for food. Oh, really? The other one? Oh, okay. Friends, guys, this is the Perico Paradise. Okay. What are you doing? Pirotso, what are you doing, Pirotso? I'm just cleaning myself. Oh, you're cleaning yourself, right? Yeah. What do you want? And just look at you. I know you're so nice. Ah. Ha ha. Thank you. Thank you so much. And you, Binsy, what are you doing? I'm doing exercise only. I do exercise because I'm very tired last night. I could not sleep. A lot of people around here. Allah, really? Yes, I'm playing. Okay. And you? What are you doing? I'm just sitting, looking for some food, but I could not find food anywhere here. My master is not here. I'm so hungry. Oh, really? Okay. Where's your master? Where is... Ah, over there. Ah, ha, ha. And you? What are you doing? I'm looking for my master because he didn't give me some food to eat. I'm so hungry. Where's your master? He's over there. I'm just looking. He's watching. He's watching us without food. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, really? Oh, never mind. Maybe later you'll be given food. Oh, okay. Master! Where are you, master? Your master doesn't listen to you. Oh, haha. Okay, continue doing exercise. Yes. Who are your friends? Yeah, they're there. Look at there. He's so sad. Oh, he's so hungry. Oh, really? Oh, the other one? Oh, what are you doing there? Just eating. Master gave me some food already. Oh, really? Okay. Where's your friend? They're there. Look at that. They're looking some food too. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Oh. And that one? He's doing exercise. So guys, this is the place, the Parrot Paradise in the mall, Bangkok. Yeah, it's a place where there are many Parrot birds around here. Okay. But it's sad to say they are very hungry now. Look at that, there is no food. Yeah, there's no food to eat. That's why they are so sad. They're very sad. There's no food to eat here. Oh, Bincio, why are you sleeping? Yeah, I'm sleeping because I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. The master didn't give me some food. Oh, okay. Your master maybe is sleeping. He's over there. Okay. Never mind. Never mind, Bincio. Okay, sure. Sure. Yes. So let's see. Goodbye. Okay. Goodbye. See you again. Yes. Thank you so much. Oh, that's... So call your master. Call your master. Because there's nothing to eat. Look at that. Look at that. There's nothing to eat. Right? Oh. Yes. Bincio, my friend, is so sad today. He's hungry too. Okay. So, thank you so much, Bincio, na? Okay. Oh, what's your name again? My name is Tikla too. Oh, Tikla. What happened? What's the matter? Oh, it seems like I'm sick today because there's no food to eat. Oh, okay. And you? What happens to you? Yeah, I'm not feeling good today because I could not see my master. Oh. Okay. What's your name? Tinko. Oh, Tinko. Call your master. Oh, look at that. There's no food. Oh, my goodness. May miyahan hả? No food. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. This is Ran. See you again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you. Wow, nice color, nice color. Wow. Oh, nice. The white one, like the white one. Oh, oh. Okay, see you. Bye bye.